Weight loss should not be your only health goal. That said, keeping your body in a healthy weight range for you can help you lower your risk for several chronic diseases and can lead to positive health outcomes when done in a healthy way. Here we're gonna break down some of the best snacks that can help with weight loss if that's your goal. Can snacking be part of a healthy diet? Regardless of your personal goals, one of the best things you can do for your health is to honor your hunger, and snacking is an important part of that. Here are some things to think about when it comes to a healthy snack. Your snack should be high in fiber, protein, and healthy fat. This combination of nutrients can help you feel more satisfied and stay full for longer. Don't let yourself get too hungry. This can make it harder to honor your hunger levels and might make you more likely to overeat. And lastly, don't stress about the calories. Focus on whole foods that are nutritious and actually fill you up. What about an evening snack? A healthy diet should allow you unconditional permission to eat whenever you're hungry or in need of nourishment, and that can include a healthy snack in the evening. Just be mindful about what you're choosing. Fruit and yogurt might be a healthy snack, but it might not be what you're craving at night. This is where it can be helpful to set aside a single serving of your favorite sweet or savory snack so that you can satisfy your craving without overdoing it. And if you're constantly feeling hungry at night, make sure your dinner is full of filling and nutritious foods. Here are 10 of the best healthy snacks for weight loss. Nuts of all kinds are great options for a healthy snack. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. These nutrients can work together to help you feel more full and satisfied for longer. A whole grapefruit delivers roughly 5 grams of fiber and 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. They're delicious when topped with a little bit of brown sugar and broiled. Chickpeas are totally worth a spot in your pantry. They're a great plant-based protein source and they're packed with fiber. Besides pulsing them to make hummus, you can pop them into the oven or the air fryer and turn them into a crunchy snack that's similar to popcorn. Grapes are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Enjoy them fresh with cheese or frozen for a refreshing treat. It's important to make room for the foods that you enjoy, and that's what makes a healthy eating pattern sustainable. Plus, research suggests that chocolate is high in antioxidants, especially dark chocolate, which is usually higher in cacao and lower in added sugar than milk chocolate, so you get some added benefits. You might be surprised to hear that popcorn is actually a whole grain. One serving is roughly 3 cups worth, and it contains 110 calories, 4 grams of fiber, and 3 grams of protein, so it's great for when you want a large portion to munch on. Yogurt is packed with calcium, fiber, and gut-friendly probiotics, and choosing plain yogurt can allow you to customize the flavor of your snack while limiting the amount of added sugar. Hummus is made from protein and fiber-rich chickpeas, so it's a great way to boost the nutrition of your snack. Scoop it up with raw vegetables like bell peppers or cucumbers, or pair it with whole grain crackers or pita for something that's more filling. Oatmeal is not just for breakfast. It's a great way to up your intake of whole grains and fiber, and it's one of the best foods that you can eat for heart health. For an extra convenient snack, have a batch of overnight oats or energy balls prepared in the fridge for whenever hunger strikes. Dried fruit is super portable, shelf-stable, and nutritious. Similar to fresh fruit, it's packed with fiber and nutrients, and pair them with nuts for some extra staying power from healthy fat and protein. For those with diabetes, it's important to note that dried fruit is a little bit more concentrated in sugar than fresh fruit. It's still a healthy snack choice, just be mindful of your portions. Snacks can absolutely be part of a healthy eating pattern, even if you're trying to lose weight. Just focus on snacks that are a good source of fiber, protein, and healthy fat to help keep you full and satisfied between meals. I want to know your nutrition questions. Tag me or let me know in the comments. And happy snacking!